Good afternoon. This is Dr. David Thomsen of Prime Care Chiropractic Centers. I want to take this opportunity to give a little words of lunchtime wisdom today. I've been thinking about some of the patients that come in our office for a variety of different reasons, and one of the common things that brings patients into our office that you may or may not be aware of are headaches. We see a lot of patients with complaints of headaches. And if you've suffered from headaches, you know that headaches can be a very debilitating condition. When you're suffering from a headache, you may not be able to complete the activities you normally would. You can't work, you can't play with the kids or the grandkids, you may not feel like eating, you may not be able to do any of the normal things you would do when you're suffering from headaches. It can be very debilitating and very miserable for the person suffering from the headaches. So I wanted to talk for just a couple minutes about a few types of headaches and how chiropractic care can help with these headaches. So headaches can be caused by a variety of reasons, and I want to speak about three of the major causes of headaches that can be helped by chiropractic care. And fortunately, out of all the causes of headaches, these three types of headaches comprise probably the major portion of headaches that people suffer from. And so that's good news for those that want to seek out chiropractic care to help them. The first type of headache that probably everyone's heard of is the migraine headache. And when you suffer from a migraine headache, typically the person who's going to experience this headache experiences some kind of an aura, or they get a sense that they're about to get a headache coming on before it actually happens. They become sensitive perhaps to certain kinds of foods or smells. Very common, they become sensitive to light. They become light sensitive. They may have changes in hearing or vision. Their vision changes. And so all these things are indicators that a migraine headache is about to come on, or they're experiencing a migraine headache. It's not uncommon for a migraine sufferer to want to be alone in the dark, curled up in bed and not wanting to eat. They suffer often from nausea or feeling sick to their stomach. They just generally feel really miserable, and a migraine headache is pretty debilitating, completely debilitating usually for the person suffering from the headache. The good news is that chiropractic care, spinal manipulation, particularly to the cervical spine, can often help these patients who are suffering from migraine headaches. And so that's good news. The second type of headache I wanted to mention is the tension headache. A tension headache often will be mistaken for a migraine headache, but it is a little bit different. They don't typically suffer the aura or the different sensitivities that a migraine headache sufferer experiences, but they do feel a lot of tightness and tension, and they may have that same excruciating pain in different parts of the head that keeps them from doing all their normal activities. These tension headaches create a lot of pressure in the head, often occurring behind the eyes or in the temporal or the side parts of the head, to where they just feel like their head is about to blow up, like it's in a vice, and if someone squeezes a little bit more, their head's going to blow up. It's a miserable experience for the tension headache sufferer. And so the good news is, again, chiropractic care, spinal manipulation to the cervical spine particularly, can often provide relief for those suffering from these types of headaches. The third type I wanted to mention is the cervicogenic headache. That's a big fancy word that means the headache is born from, or comes or originates from, the neck. Thus the term cervicogenic. It is originating from the neck. These are people who suffer from arthritis in the neck, who have bone spurs in the neck, who've had an accident, like a whiplash injury, a car accident. These are people who just have a kink in their neck. Something's just out of place or not moving right in their neck. Probably all of us at one time or another fits into that category. And those misalignments of the cervical spine can lead directly to headaches, cervicogenic headaches. So it's not hard to imagine how being able to effectively manipulate the neck and adjust the spine, especially the neck, will help correct those types of headaches. So three kinds of headaches: migraines, tension headaches, and cervicogenic headaches, all very debilitating, all miserable for the person suffering from these type of headaches, but all of them may be helped by chiropractic care. Now, there are other causes for headaches. changes in blood pressure, changes in hormones, allergies. These things could all cause headaches as well and may not be as effectively helped by chiropractic care, but certainly those three, migraines, tension headaches, and cervicogenic headaches, which compromises the majority of headaches, can be helped by chiropractic care very often. So what are your options? Well, you can go to the medical doctor, and certainly medicine can provide some relief. I mean, just ask anybody who suffers from migraine headaches how important their migraine headache medicine is to them when they're suffering from a headache. But the fact of the matter is, most often those medicines don't cure the problem. They don't fix the cause of the headache, and so they continue to suffer. And so you end up being dependent upon medicine, which may make you feel groggy or sleepy or have other side effects, and may provide some relief from the headache for a while, but ultimately don't always have an effect on reducing the intensity or the frequency of the headaches. Alternatively, chiropractic care, we try to get to the root or the cause of the problem, and we feel like by making adjustments to the cervical spine, we often have a chance of eliminating the cause of those headaches. And I can tell you, when someone's suffering from a headache, as I've seen many patients suffer over the last 20 years from headaches, they will do just about anything to be able to get rid of their headache. I mean, they're typically overwhelmed with the headaches, especially when they start to occur frequently and start to prevent them from doing all their normal activities of daily life. They're willing to do about anything. And so I think it's worth a try to try chiropractic care and see if manipulation can't at least decrease the frequency and intensity of these headaches and provide some relief to patients. We've seen great results over the years. These patients who come in and get relief from their headaches, they love chiropractic care, and they feel like we're their heroes because we've changed their lives and helped them be able to suffer much less than they've done previously. So keep that in mind. For those of you who might be suffering from headaches or know somebody that is, it often can be helped by chiropractic care. The majority of the headaches can. We like to think that we can help eliminate the headache or the cause of the problem and decrease at least the frequency and intensity of the headaches, which is worth a try. So chiropractic care is a powerful thing, a powerful component of healthcare, along with traditional medicine and all the other ways of treating the human body. Chiropractic care, as always, is an important component of your good health. So with that message, we hope that you'll come see us soon. You can call us at 863-294-3109 or look us up at primecarechiro.com. There's links there where you can contact our office by phone. You can even text message directly to the front desk. There's a phone number for that. You can send us email. You can go on our online scheduling tool and request an appointment that way. Lots of ways to reach out to us that are all convenient and readily disposable to you. So we hope that you'll reach out to us if you're suffering from headaches and come give chiropractic a try. Have a great day and look forward to talking to you again soon.